Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add phone number in Binance account. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you need to launch your Binance mobile application and then tap on this Binance icon in the top left-hand corner. Over here, you will be able to see your UID, so you need to tap on this section. After that, among the given options, select Security. Now in the security, tap on this little drop arrow button in order to get more options. Now among these options, you will see the phone number option. So you need to tap on phone number. And then it will redirect you on this page where it will ask you that the phone number verification adds another layer of security to your withdrawals and your Binance account. So you need to tap on Add Phone Number, and then it will redirect you on this page where you will be able to see a section where you can provide the phone number that you want to link with your Binance account. Then you just have to simply provide the code in order to verify your phone number. And once it is linked successfully, you will be able to see that on this page. So this way you can add the phone number in Binance account. So that's basically how you can add phone number in Binance account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.